everything custom. Bank account swell like state of mumps. Hattacking.
What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. Newlink. Hattack.
Bless up my people. Big up my viewers, big up my subscribers, anyone today in the world. The attacking boss, they are in my people. Yes, right now, my viewers and subscribers. You know what me I say? Rawpa Crawpa. Big top vlogger. Big up yourself in a Crawpa. But Crawpa, let me tell you something. You know, see your style the attacking boss, Rawpa Crawpa. Your style the attacking boss. Because Crawpa, you know, see a long time I respect you. Long time I rate you. You know what I mean? Know you as a trendsetter vlogger in the business, Crawpa. Eh? Rapper, me see a job big bad tune with not tell what they are.
Like a dead fireside. Mommy, take your time, you are cast trouble. Like boiling water, start bubble.
And a rapper tear down the place in a rapper, no joke about it. You know, so the attacking boss do music rapper. Eh? You know, link the attacking boss rapper. After you drop the big bad song now with the video called Living the Life. Oh my world, oh my precious Newlink. Crawpa, me can't believe it. I want to go on. But for the real level, my people, my viewers and subscribers, me not nothing bad against Rawpa Crawpa. All me have to say with Rawpa Crawpa right now, him a go on good in the music business. Him a go on great. Talent on top of talent. My viewers and subscribers, the man drop a song with a video called Living the Life, my people. And now, me see how the artist Rawpa Crawpa, because me not going to say vlogger right now, no. The artist Rawpa Crawpa versatile. No. You don't see the video yet, my people? You don't see the video Living the Life. Alright, easy thing. You know I'm go to work. Me not selfish, and me not go keep it to myself, my people. Me I push it out there. So when me I go do my viewers and subscribers, me I go on a preview of the video right now. You understand? Right now.
On est fatigué, y a trop d'argent, trop de thunes, trop de moula. Comment on fait?
Me living the life of them boy they a dream of. Me eyes them a freeze like them in a freezer.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. So that a piece of the preview. Cause me can't show the whole heap of you say no. But you see over Rawpa Crawpa Vivo. Yeah, me I go send it right over them people. So check below in the description. Also check me I go pin the link in the comment section for Rawpa Crawpa new music video called Living the Life. The man think shot. The man I say yo, we are living the life where some boy them a dream of. My people. The man of, yo, Rawpa Crawpa, you put some word in this thing where me can't believe say you really are go answer you. And you see, if you really write the song or who write it, me I go give them thumbs up and credit, Pantaba, credit. Because, yo, some words and some line in the Rawpa Crawpa, me could find the meaning for put them together. Because you know, so like some ABC lyrics in a tune, my people. But the man have some triple time A and triple time B and C to what the man thing. Connect! You know what I mean? So all me are telling them, my people, go over there, you understand, like the video upon him thing, my people, subscribe to him Vivo, my people, and remember, please comment and make Crawpa know, say, yo, are the attacking boss sending it over, because, yo, my people, me have to respect him, you understand, even though I'm same style me, or you mean if him style me, him never link the attacking boss, go along me and do music to my people, and so, yo, can you do that? But no feelings, Crawpa, you me general, people, big up on yourself, and Rawpa Crawpa, continue to do the good work, my brother. Living the life. Some boy them a dream about it, Rawpa Crawpa. You know, I see you touchdown everything custom. When you roll down on the golf course over there, yo, Crawpa, big up yourself and just continue. Put in the work, my brother. You understand the whole of greatness to come. Living the life. Living the life. Rawpa Crawpa. Rawpa Crawpa. Big up on yourself. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Peace out. I'm out. Cause what? Me I go live my life right now.
You get flat like one piece of bommy.
Yes, amen.
Why you just walk on and lock it? You know
Johnny.
Hey, Abby. Hey, girl, come over. Make me love you from South. You end up and over, girl. Come over. Make me give you good love in a me cheery rover, girl. Come over. Make me love you from South. You end up and over, girl. Come over. Make me give you good love in a the back of the rover. Get you look more in a me 12 o'clock. Double dagger in me, yes, so well a that you love. You and your friend them sit down and them a make tough chat. Cocky reach on your belly, then they like, don't stop. Baby, don't stop around your block. From 1 o'clock or straight back to 6 o'clock. Anytime you get it, you just about don't stop. Me not stop, me just can't get you no back. We are telling us if come over, come